Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a look at 20 amazing kitchen gadgets that you probably didn't even know you needed. These clever tools are designed to make your cooking faster, easier, and way more fun. Whether you're meal prepping like a pro or just trying to get dinner on the table without a mess. From space-saving organizers to time-saving slicers, we've got a little something for every kitchen and every skill level. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be wondering how you ever lived without these genius finds. The Silicone Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set features a USB-C rechargeable design with an upgraded 9/0 XL capacity, eliminating the need for batteries. Ideal for kitchens, restaurants, and outdoor use, it offers one-handed operation with gravity sensing and a safety switch. The adjustable ceramic grinder ensures precise coarseness, while a built-in LED light enhances visibility during use. Easy to refill and clean with its large opening and detachable design, this stylish and efficient set makes seasoning effortless and is a perfect gift for any occasion. The Priority Chef Large 50-0 Potato Ricer is a heavy-duty stainless steel kitchen tool designed to make perfectly smooth and fluffy mashed potatoes with ease. Its deep basket and 3mm ricer holes ensure quicker, finer results, and the cushioned, anti-slip long handles provide comfortable leverage. This versatile gadget also mashes carrots, yams, and more, and is great for making baby food. Rust-proof and dishwasher safe, it's easy to clean and built to last, an essential kitchen companion for effortless mashing every time. The Slushie Kitchen stainless steel pineapple corer and slicer offers a fast and effortless way to core and slice pineapples into perfect rings while keeping the shell intact. Built with a triple reinforced stainless steel blade and ergonomic non-slip handle, it ensures durability and comfort with minimal wrist strain. The included eye removal tool adds convenience, and all parts are detachable and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Ideal for home or professional use, it's a compact, travel-friendly tool backed by a lifetime guarantee. The Vero Swiss Pot Drainer is a compact, clip-on stainless steel strainer that fits pots and pans from 5.5 to 10 inches, offering a spill-free, space-saving alternative to bulky colanders. Engineered for durability, it resists warping and securely clips on for safe, effortless draining of pasta, vegetables, and more. Designed with Swiss precision, it's ideal for small kitchens and easy to clean with its smooth, dishwasher-safe surface. A must-have tool for efficient, mess-free meal prep and modern kitchen organization. The Slushie Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother Wand delivers rich, creamy foam in seconds, perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, matcha, and hot chocolate. With a strong motor and sleek stainless steel whisk, it creates cafe-style drinks at home without the need for a coffee shop run. Easy to clean and store, it includes a metal stand and comes with 2 Duracell AA batteries for instant use. Compact and convenient, this handheld frother is a must-have for coffee lovers who want quick, delicious results every time. The UJR Slushie Machine is an all-in-one frozen treat maker that delivers smoothies, soft-serve ice cream, milkshakes, slushies, and cocktails without the need for ice or a freezer. With 6 preset modes, fast child technology, and real-time temperature display, it creates perfect frozen drinks in as little as 5 minutes. Its 68 capacity suits both personal use and parties, while the auto-clean function and quiet operation ensure hassle-free enjoyment. Compact and powerful, it's ideal for home use, summer fun, and entertaining guests with flavorful, mess-free treats. The Organzier Herb Scissors Set features 5 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades designed for quick and easy chopping of herbs like cilantro, basil, and green onion. Built with premium rust-resistant materials, it offers durability and effortless cutting. The set includes a safety cover and cleaning comb for convenient maintenance and blade protection. With its stylish design and practical use, it makes a great kitchen tool or gift for any cooking enthusiast. Enjoy precise, mess-free herb preparation with this multi-purpose cutter. The Deco Future 2-tier undersink organizer set is a versatile storage solution ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, and pantries. Featuring clear, durable pHET drawers and rust-resistant stainless steel supports, each unit offers a stable, stackable design with pull-out shelves and movable dividers for easy access. No tools are needed for assembly, and non-slip silicone pads ensure secure use. Its compact size fits neatly under sinks, maximizing vertical space while keeping toiletries, cleaning supplies, or kitchen items neatly organized and easily visible. The TAC-GA vegetable peeler set includes 2 high-quality peelers featuring rust-free carbon steel blades and a durable zinc alloy body for long-lasting performance. Designed for both fruits and vegetables, the Y-shaped swivel blades ensure smooth, even peeling of potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more. The ergonomic, non-slip rubber handle offers a secure grip, while the built-in potato eye remover adds convenience. Dishwasher safe and easy to store, this peeler set combines comfort, efficiency, and versatility for any kitchen. The Yaramate 60 glass olive oil sprayer offers a 2-in-1 design for both spraying and pouring, making it ideal for cooking, grilling, salads, and more. Made from food-grade BPA-free PP and durable borosilicate glass, it ensures safe and long-lasting use. The wide-mouth bottle allows easy refilling and cleaning, while the transparent body helps monitor oil levels. With precise portion control, each spray releasing about 0.2 grams of oil, it promotes healthier cooking. Its ergonomic, no-mess design keeps hands clean and kitchens efficient. The Matitude Kitchen Mat 2-piece set features cushioned, anti-fatigue comfort mats designed to ease pressure during long periods of standing. Made from premium, fade-resistant PVC material, these mats offer ergonomic support with a soft yet firm 0.42-inch thickness. Measuring 17.3 inches by 47 inches and 17.3 inch by 29 inch, they suit kitchens, offices, laundry rooms, and more. The non-slip backing ensures stability and safety, while the classic black and gray geometric design complements any decor. Durable and easy to maintain, these mats are perfect for both home and commercial use. Keep your kitchen counters clean and stylish with this 3-piece double-sided stone drying mat set from Sunflower Home Space. Made from natural diatomaceous earth and recycled paper, these eco-friendly mats are ultra-absorbent, quick-drying, and free of synthetic materials. The double-sided design extends usage, while the elegant white marble finish adds a modern touch. Versatile for use as a dish drying mat or sink tray, the set includes 1 large mat, a small mat, and 4 reusable bee food wraps, perfect for eco-conscious homes and thoughtful gift-giving. Keep food fresh up to 5 times longer with the Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer. This powerful handheld sealer comes with 30 reusable BPA-free bags that are safe for the microwave, dishwasher, freezer, and fridge. With one-touch operation, it seals in just 5 seconds and shuts off automatically. Rechargeable and wireless, it seals up to 1,000 bags per charge, perfect for home, travel, or outdoor use. Compact and easy to store, it replaces bulky sealers and helps reduce food waste. Backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee and 2-year warranty. Keep your kitchen counter organized and clutter-free with the Sizzly Kitchen Sink Caddy Organizer. Made of rust-proof 304 stainless steel, this compact and stylish caddy features an automatic drainage system, minimizing water buildup and cleaning time. It includes a high brush holder, space for sponges, a soap dispenser, and sink accessories, all in a space-saving 9.25 meters design. With 3 divided compartments and durable, rust-resistant construction, it adds both practicality and elegance to your kitchen. No installation needed, ready to use right out of the box. Upgrade your kitchen with the Hunter.Dual 15-piece knife set, crafted from German stainless steel with anti-rust technology for long-lasting durability. This all-in-one set includes essential knives, steak knives, scissors, and a sleek black hardwood block with a built-in sharpener. Featuring ergonomic, non-slip full-tang handles and dishwasher-safe construction, these knives are easy to maintain and comfortable to use. Ideal for both home cooks and professionals, this stylish black set combines performance, convenience, and elegance in one. Experience versatile cooking with the K-Coin 20-piece non-stick pots and pans set, designed with detachable handles for easy storage and multifunctional use. Ideal for induction, RV kitchens, or compact spaces, this cookware set is non-toxic, dishwasher and oven safe, and features a durable non-stick coating for effortless cleaning. The removable handles make transferring from stovetop to oven a breeze, while the stackable design saves space. Perfect for everyday meals or travel cooking, this sleek black set delivers convenience, safety, and performance in one. The Kitsure Large Dish Drying Rack is a multifunctional and extendable kitchen solution, expanding from 19.2 inch to 26.7 inches to fit a variety of countertops. Crafted from rust-resistant, fingerprint-free metal, it includes compartments for dishes, cutlery, and cups, with anti-slip silicone caps and a heightened fence for added stability and safety. Its waterproof coating ensures easy cleaning, and installation is quick with the included manual. Ideal for keeping your kitchen counter organized and dry with a sleek, modern black finish. This silicone cooking utensils set offers a complete 10-piece collection of essential kitchen tools made from BPA-free food-grade silicone, with a reinforced stainless steel core for durability. Heat-resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, the utensils won't warp or melt, and their seamless design prevents food buildup. Gentle on non-stick cookware, they feature a comfortable grip and are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Ideal for everyday cooking or as a thoughtful gift, this set combines safety, functionality, and long-lasting performance. The KOIOS Smoothie Blender is a powerful 1,000-watt all-in-one personal blender designed for smoothies, shakes, and coffee grinding. Featuring 2 sets of food-grade stainless steel blades, it effortlessly handles blending, mixing, and grinding tasks. Its upgraded motor delivers up to 30,000 RPM for smooth results, while the detachable blade and dishwasher-safe parts ensure easy cleaning. With 2 22-to-go cups, a grinding cup, and a compact, BPA-free design, this multifunctional blender is perfect for healthy lifestyles at home or on the go. The Momimo Soap Dispenser Set includes elegant hand and dish soap dispensers labeled for easy identification, eliminating any confusion. Crafted from high-quality glass with bamboo pumps and a matching tray, this BPA-free set is both stylish and functional. Its farmhouse design complements any kitchen decor, while the rust-free, refillable bottles add long-term value. Versatile and durable, it's a thoughtful gift for housewarmings or kitchen upgrades, adding charm and convenience to any countertop.